Welcome to today's IVG Market Blast. I'm Brad Alexander, and today we'll take a look at Forex trading on the US dollar index, Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, and the NASDAQ. Just a reminder that these videos are only an observation of current market conditions, and these are not to be considered as trading advice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep up to date. Last time we wondered if the Russell 2000 would catch up with the other indices. This time, the opposite was true, with the other major indices, like the NASDAQ, falling. In our next video, we'll take a look at why and if we should buy the dip. We see the recent rally in US dollar continuing based on US bond yields, inflation fears, and the Fed putting rate reductions on hold. So, will we see reversal anytime soon? If we see a change in the fundamentals, like US bond yields, lower inflation, and the Iran war, we may see that reversal, so keep an eye on the news. If we look at dollar Swiss, we see price at 0.79, which is a key level that has held many times all the way back to July of 2025. On dollar CAD, we see similar key level at $1.39. We've been watching the rise of the New Zealand dollar based on a potential interest rate rise, but the strength of the US dollar won out with price action falling seriously, creating this lower trend line with an oversold stochastic oscillator. We see a similar story with Aussie dollar, which is in an uptrend. If we look at the daily chart on Aussie dollar, we can see just how strong the uptrend has been, and on the Australian dollar since last November. Again, Euro dollar is at a key level of $1.60, which has held many times. And on dollar yen, we're approaching a key level of 160 yen. So, two important takeaways here. Firstly, we see how key levels repeat and hold very often. And just as importantly, you will note that these key levels are almost always round numbers, like 160 yen, $1.39, etc., etc. But tomorrow is a critical day with the US Non-Farm Payrolls, which will give the Fed some clues on the direction of the US economy and future interest rates, and therefore the value of USD. We will also see Canadian employment data, so watch for volatility on CAD pairs, especially dollar CAD, where we see mixed strength and weakness. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.